Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best classroom questions is probably one of the most effective tools a teacher can use to foster a dynamic and engaging learning environment, transforming passive listening into active participation and critical thinking, ensuring that every student feels empowered to share their unique perspectives and contribute meaningfully to the collective understanding of the subject matter at hand. Number 5. Really good stuff morning meeting chips for kids. Introducing morning meeting chips, designed to ignite conversations in classrooms. These chips are perfect for sparking engaging discussions among young learners. Each pack contains 40 unique chips, providing a variety of conversation starters. They are designed to encourage participation from every child. Foster a sense of community by helping students get to know each other better. These chips encourage everyone to share their thoughts and feelings. Help children improve their communication, listening, and vocabulary skills. The simple, kid-friendly questions are designed to stimulate learning. Made from sturdy, waterproof material with bright, colorful designs, these chips are built to last. They are perfect for daily classroom use. Ensure every child has a chance to speak and be heard. These conversation starters encourage shy children to participate and prevent any one person from dominating the discussion. What we like. This set offers a fantastic way to get every child involved in discussions. If you're looking for a tool to ensure even shy students have a voice and to build a strong classroom community, this is an excellent choice. It's designed to foster communication and listening skills in a fun, accessible way for younger learners. What people say. The chips are brightly colored, durable, and easy for little hands to handle, making them a visually appealing and practical tool. Each chip features a thoughtful question or prompt that encourages kids to think critically, express their feelings, and share their thoughts in a fun and engaging way. Very thought-provoking questions, but not so hard it leaves you stumped wondering what you would answer. Number 4. 400 conversation cards for kids. Introducing 400 conversation cards for kids, designed to bring your family closer. These cards are perfect for sparking laughter and connection during meals, game nights, or even on the go. With 400 engaging questions, you can make your child feel truly special. Spend quality time together, because that's how kids spell love. Listen and learn together as you explore new topics and share stories. These cards help strengthen your child's emotional intelligence, ensuring you both discover something new. Say goodbye to boring chats. Our creative and thoughtful questions cover a wide range of topics, from personal interests to imaginative scenarios, encouraging critical thinking. These small, durable, and double-sided cards are your perfect companion for car rides, bedtime, or dinner. Bond without screens, anytime, anywhere. Perfect for parents with children aged 6 to 12 and up, these cards foster meaningful conversations. Simply pick a card, ask a question, and listen deeply to create cherished memories. What we like. With a vast number of questions, this option is perfect for families wanting to connect on a deeper level during everyday moments or travels. If you enjoy spending quality time with your children and want to spark meaningful conversations that go beyond the usual, these cards are ideal. They are designed for easy use anywhere, making bonding accessible and fun. What people say. The questions are thoughtful, strong, and really make an impact. They get us all talking, laughing, and even thinking about things we normally wouldn't bring up. It's such a simple idea, but it has created great bonding moments for us. It's been fun to ask each other these questions and start some interesting conversations. Perfect because it helps bring the wide age span together at our dinner conversation. The 400 conversation cards for kids have been such a wonderful addition to our family. My son actually asks to play at dinner time, which has turned meals into fun, meaningful conversations. Number 3. ThinkPsych Dive in SEL Conversation Dice Game. Ready to connect on a deeper level? This game uses over 400 unique questions to spark thought-provoking discussions for everyone. Simply roll the dice to create hundreds of questions. For even more depth, land on the dive side and draw a card. It's a fun way to play. Bring your friends and family together for unforgettable moments. Enjoy laughter, share experiences, and build stronger relationships with this game. Designed for players aged 6 and up, it's perfect for kids, teens, and adults alike. Everyone can join in to express themselves and learn together. Developed by 2 psychologists, this tool helps people open up and communicate more effectively. It's a great addition to your collection of SEL and therapy games. What we like. This game provides a unique, multi-layered approach to conversation, making it suitable for a wide range of ages and settings. If you're seeking a way to facilitate deeper connections and encourage open communication within your family or group, especially with its professional-grade design, this is a standout option. It's perfect for game nights or even therapeutic settings. What people say. Great conversation game to play with students. Helps them open up and find common ground to share. Great therapy game. Love the questions and the quality of the dice. Nice for family time and the therapy setting. I use these in my high school social skills class. Great as a conversation starter and gets the students engaging and thinking with their partners and with the class. Number 2. Awesome science experiments for kids. Are you ready for some amazing fun? This book is packed with over 100 exciting STEM and STEAM projects designed just for kids. Get ready to explore and discover. Dive into a world of hands-on learning and creativity. Each experiment is a gateway to understanding the why behind the magic. It's learning made incredibly fun. Discover a huge collection of engaging activities that make science accessible and exciting. Perfect for curious minds eager to build, create, and learn. Turn playtime into learning time with these fantastic projects. You'll not only have a blast but also gain valuable insights into scientific principles. Ignite a passion for science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. These activities are designed to spark curiosity and encourage a lifelong love of learning. It's more than just following steps, it's about understanding the science behind each amazing result. Prepare to be amazed by what you can create and learn. What we like. This resource is perfect for young, curious minds eager to explore the world of science. If you're a parent or educator looking for engaging, educational activities that teach STEM concepts through fun experiments, this is an invaluable tool. It encourages hands-on learning and helps children understand the why behind scientific phenomena. What people say. The questions are engaging and thought-provoking, perfect for sparking classroom discussions. It's a great way to encourage critical thinking and creativity among students. The variety of questions covers a wide range of topics, keeping the students interested. Number 1. Would you rather? Made you think. Edition. Get ready to put your thinking cap on. This is the Made You Think edition of Would You Rather? Prepare yourself for a barrage of hilarious questions that will have you and your friends in stitches. It's not just about answering, it's about outsmarting your opponents. Can you win the ultimate game of wits? This game encourages creative thinking and unexpected answers. Let your imagination run wild. Looking for a fun and engaging activity for your next game night? This is the perfect choice for hours of entertainment. Challenge your friends and family to think outside the box with these thought-provoking scenarios. You'll be surprised by the answers you come up with. What we like. This game is designed for pure fun and friendly competition, making it a hit for gatherings and parties. If you enjoy lighthearted challenges and want to engage friends and family in a game that sparks laughter and quick thinking, this edition is a great pick. It's perfect for anyone looking to add an element of playful debate to their social events. What people say. The questions make the players think. They are well thought out. Unique Would You Rather hers to provoke thought and encourage conversation. A very creative way to examine and deal with choices. Non-judgmental, lots of fun for both adults and kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.